Looking to become a smarter investor? Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has built his fortune using simple yet powerful investing principles. Here are Buffett's top 7 investing rules that can transform your financial future. Rule 1. Never lose money. Buffett's golden rule is, never lose money. Protect your investment capital at all costs. Always assess risks and invest with a margin of safety to safeguard your wealth. Rule 2. Invest in what you understand. Buffett advises investing only in industries or businesses you truly understand. If you're unsure how a company makes money, it's best to avoid it. Stick to your circle of competence for better results. Rule 3. Think long-term. Successful investing requires patience. Buffett emphasizes holding investments for the long term to benefit from growth and the magic of compound interest. Avoid chasing quick profits. Stay focused on the big picture. Rule 4. Buy quality businesses at a fair price. Buffett's strategy is clear. Invest in high-quality companies with strong fundamentals, proven leadership, and competitive advantages. Remember, it's better to buy a great business at a fair price than a mediocre one at a bargain. Rule 5. Avoid debt. Buffett warns against excessive debt, which can ruin even the best investment strategies. Staying debt-free gives you flexibility and the ability to capitalize on market opportunities when they arise. Rule 6. Be fearful when others are greedy. One of Buffett's most famous quotes is, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." This rule encourages smart investors to buy during market downturns and avoid the hype during bubbles. Rule 7. Never stop learning. Buffett dedicates hours every day to reading and learning. Continuous education about markets, businesses, and industries is essential for making informed investment decisions. In summary, to invest like Warren Buffett, follow these 7 rules. Protect your money, invest in what you know, think long-term, prioritize quality, avoid debt, seize opportunities, and never stop learning. These principles are timeless and proven to build wealth. Want more investing tips? Like, share, and subscribe.